Want to know how to create a group chat in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application. So we have also created a video on how to download and install Messenger, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened up your Messenger application right here, you should be seeing various options. Now here you should be seeing chat. Just simply select chat right here. And on the top right side you should be seeing various options. So you should be seeing this pencil icon or the edit icon that should be right beside the Facebook icon. So you can just simply select it. This is the new chat option. So here you should be seeing group chat that should be right below your note. So just simply select it, and now you can just simply sort up for your friends and toggle select them and then just add them just like this by selecting create right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you create a group in Messenger. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.